Perfect height for a little guy like me. So that part is all done. What's not done is this mess.
Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. If you ain't never been screwed up, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. We dropped the top down and took the deuce up. These 84s will make a hater put his shoes up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up.
We gotta look at this. Oh man.
Jesus.
Ogres are us delivering boxes today.
No kidding.
Good lord. This wasn't a scratch and dent model?
Nope. It wasn't supposed to be.
It wasn't, but now.
It is.
So let me make a phone call.
Yeah.
Does the drawer still open and close though?
It's definitely behind this one.
Did you see how many had it in this truck? It was like all fucking like stacked up and cockeyed in the first place.
Yeah.
been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah, you ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up. Yeah. Been screwed up. You ain't shit if you ain't never been screwed up.
Look, more styrofoam.
I mean, it's something, right? I will have LEDs eventually. Then I just have a magnetic light.
What you can do? Here. Oh, you got one here. Get you an
LED strip.
Yeah, do LED strips and then somehow either remote it or figure out a way to hook it up to
See,
your
I
magnet.
think I just want to do a pressure switch and just mount it right there.
Probably could. I'm sorry. That's funny, but it's not funny.
That's kind of... Well, I think that's gone forever. All right, the toolbox is built, looking pretty good. Perfect height for a little guy like me. So that part is all done. What's not done is this mess. All right, so I'm in my garage and I realized I didn't film an outro at my toolbox. So here's the skinny of it. I've used it for a day. So far, it's really, really nice. This video was just kind of the delivery as well as the assembly. Don't really go into anything, but that's coming in a future video. I'm going to actually use the box for, I don't know, a couple weeks or so, get some more tools in there, and just fill it out, see how I really do like it before I do a full review. You see these videos come out, they unbox it, it's brand new sitting in their garage, and they're like, alright, I'm going to review it, this and this and this. Well, that's not a real review in my eyes. So I'm going to use it, I'm going to get some hours using the box, and then I'll come back to you with a full review. See how it's holding up after a little bit, see how the drawers are, see what I think of the storage capacity, any kind of accessories I get for it. I do want to get some toolbox widgets. Because yeah, it needs organized and it needs more tools. So anyway, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, all of that fun stuff, so you will know exactly when that full toolbox review and tour comes out. Until next time, I'm Mick Baker, and y'all keep on cranking.